Here is an example of how to use Colad's transparent UV putty. When finding a chip or scratch on a blend panel, you would begin the repair process by prepping the surface before applying the putty. For deep scratches, apply base coat and allow for flash off. Colad's transparent UV putty is just that, a putty, not a clear coat. This product provides great adhesion with no shrinkage. Apply the putty using the included touch-up sticks to thoroughly fill the scratch. With Colad's UV lamp, the putty is cured in 2 seconds. Wet sand with 800 to 1000 grit until you achieve the desired finish. Now you can proceed with the rest of your repair process. Colad, inventing more.